What is going on? This is Altone, and this is the Pomeron air purifier with H13 HEPA filter. So in the box with the Pomeron air purifier comes the air purifier itself, the air filter, a power cord, and an instruction manual. Now to set it up for first use, after removing it from the box, you're going to have to remove all the tape and the packing materials, take the filter cover off, and remove the plastic covering the filter. Replace the filter back in the unit, and then it's as simple as plugging it up and turning it on. Now let's take a look at the controls quickly. Now on the top you have a vent adjustment wheel, and that allows you to open and close or change the direction of the airflow coming out of the air purifier. And next you have the reset button. The little LED light on the top will light up, indicating that it is time to change your filter. And all you have to do is long press the reset button, and that will let the unit know that you have put in a new filter. Then the next button, you have timer settings, and you have 8 hours, a 12-hour timer setting, and a 24-hour timer setting. And each one of them have an LED light indicating what setting you actually have it on. Then you have a light button, and that light button actually controls 2 lights on this air purifier. One of them is a visible LED light from the outside of the unit, and the second one is a UV light that is placed inside next to the filter. If you turn off all the lights, you can see the UV light as it lights up inside the filter. And that button actually rotates between settings, turning both of those lights on and off. In your fan settings for the air purifier, you actually have 3 speeds. You have 1, 2, 3, and an additional sleep or quiet mode. And that will allow the air purifier to run at a very low fan speed so that you can actually rest or sleep at night without hearing that fan noise. Then last but not least, of course, you have the power button. And of course that power button just turns the unit on and off. On the side of the unit, there's also an aroma chamber that can be used for adding essential oils. As for the specifications of the Pomeron air purifier, they state that for a room size of 256 square feet, it can refresh the air 5 times in an hour period. Now for me, I think it's an absolutely fantastic little unit. We've been using it in our bedroom for quite a few days, and it seems to be working pretty well. We have no complaints. I do let it run at nighttime as well. So it's a nice little air purifier. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer those for you. Have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.